All right, up next we're going to be working on a 22 Mercedes S580. You can see it's curved from here. There's a few wheels on this one. From here to here on this one. I mean, it's fairly deep. I'm still going to try to sand it all out. I just feel like it comes out better on a machine wheel when you don't have to use the grinder. So I'm going to see if I can just take it all out with the 320 and then clean it up and clear coat it and see what happens. I'm going to switch to a fresh sheet of 320. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use on rim repair. We'll get going on this in just a minute here. So if I can't take all this out with the 320, I'm still not going to grind it. I'm going to drop to 150. But let's see what we can do with the 320 first. When your sander wanders like that, it's going to put a little scratching in here where you didn't want it to. We don't have to sand that out or anything or repaint it or anything like that. It's just going to get scuffed and cleared. That'll fill in all the scratching. Alright, that should be good. Since this isn't as shiny as some of the other machine wheels, I'm not going to go over the 320 with the 800 on this one. We're going to go straight to scuff, and then we'll wet scuff it too with the cleaner. This is going to get out most of those 320 grit sanding marks. Little spot right there you gotta get still. It's not curb rash, that's just where the clear coat is peeling away from where it was curb. Alright, then we'll take the old scuff pad with some Adams surface prep cleaner. We'll just go over this. It'll help blend in and clean up those break lines between the new finish and the factory finish. that's cleaned up. Just put a couple coats of clear over it.